This week we're heading deeper into Croatia. We left our park up in the beautiful Surovnik and we're headed southeast towards the world famous Plitvice Lakes. And stay tuned to the end because after 3 years of searching we finally find what we've been looking for. Let's go.
See you later, Jules. If we survive, we don't get eaten by bears.
When we first started looking at Croatia, one of the first things we saw was Plitvice Lakes with amazing waterfalls. So we did what we do not do as a rule and pay for something, and boy have we paid big. This place is expensive to get in. 40 euros each to get in. That's right, 40 each. And parking, which is 15, and probably drinks if you buy round, and even though we take a pack up, and a campsite nearby because you need to be here close to it first thing in the morning. You're talking like 150 euros set up to come here, but they say it's worth it, so let's go find out if it is. So we're starting here. I'm going all the way, we're going to walk round all the way around there and back again. So when you walk around Plitvice Lakes, there's loads of different routes to choose from. You can do 2k, 3k, 15k, 8k. I think we're going to do about 8 and add a bit on the end today, and go from there. But it's pretty well signposted. I've got a route on the watch, but you don't really need it. It's pretty easy. They're everywhere. Signposts are. What size is that fish? Look how deep that is.
It's a shame you can't swim in it, isn't there? I feel like I'm in the rainforest. I know, it's amazing, isn't it? How incredible.
We've got to go this way, but I want to know where that's going. That looks like interesting. Something's happening up there.
Yeah, I think it's somewhere you're not allowed to go.
Yeah, that's why I want to go there, I think.
You're very rebellious, Alan. Going on a boat trip. Regret time.
So much time. Good old cheese and pickle.
How cool is it? So if this is included in the price, you don't actually have to pay to get on this boat, and it takes you a bit further down the river, down the lakes.
Can you walk it as well? I think
you can walk it, yeah, I think you can walk it.
it's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
You get to see a different part of it as well, don't you?
Look at the colour of the water though.
Yeah, blue's blue, isn't it?
It's such a shame that you can't swim in it, isn't there? Because it's so clear and it's so deep and so blue, and I bet it's so refreshing. It would be really lovely to swim in it. Hola!
So that's something out of Jurassic Park when you're walking around.
Yeah, it does. It feels like that completely.
Sort of like vines and grasses overflowing off the hill and water coming off them as well.
We'll see dinosaurs.
Yeah, like that one there, look. Super pretty, isn't it?
Wow.
They're so pretty.
That is probably the prettiest waterfall I've ever seen, and we've seen some epic waterfalls.
We say that every time we see a pretty waterfall.
Yeah, but we see waterfalls, but we don't see like 13 all at once.
Yeah.
There's loads of waterfalls.
That's pretty cool. You almost think that had been made, wouldn't you?
That's amazing. Where's it running from? Out the mountain?
Higher up, yeah. Well, that's it. In this heat, knackered. Ready for something to eat now.
So I think we've done about 7 miles.
When it seems a hard 7 miles, doesn't it? It's not particularly it's up and down. I think it's just because in this heat. I think if you get to the second bus stop, you don't need to do H because it's okay. It takes about 20 minutes, 25 minutes to do it, but you don't really need to do it. Route C is pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been absolutely brilliant. We have really, really loved it. It's been a really enjoyable day, but I am tired because it's so hot.
Let's go. I think we're going to go to a bear sanctuary. This is always the best bit.
Oh, yes.
no idea. We were trying to think where we actually are. We've no idea. We've come to see a bear sanctuary. We don't want to see one in the wild, but we'd like to see one in the sanctuary. We like to know that animals are looked after. So we've come to see some bears that have been rescued. Let's go see what they're like.
I think this is all what school children have done.
Oh, all
these
the boards.
boards, yeah.
Oh, really like.
Aren't they cute? That's so cute.
2010. More bears, Kaz.
More bears. Strange that, we've come to a bear sanctuary. So guys, whenever we go on hikes, and I always say, is there any bears around here? Alan, is there any bears around here?
Yeah, there's actually one over there, look.
He's so big.
Bigger than I thought. So it's called Bruno. He was rescued from a circus, an illegal circus. Yeah. He's a big old boy, isn't he?
He's huge.
So if you want to know more information about the Kutrevo Bear Sanctuary, check them out on the internet. They've got a little website and you can donate to them and help them to rescue bears and stuff like that. So Bruno was rescued from a circus in 2019. Poor old boy paces up and down like that because there's a habit he picked up there and has never got rid of. And these guys here, they look after them, and their enclosures are huge. These aren't like concrete enclosures that they're stuck in. They are huge, and it's in the habitat that they'd be in if they're in the wild. And if you're in the area, come stop by. It's free entry, and you can just leave a donation or get a drink and support them that way.
Oh, that was incredible. Oh, I literally, I don't know what to say. I'm a bit speechless. I've never ever wanted to see a bear, ever never wanted to see a bear. But I think it's because I'm always so scared that I'm going to see one when I'm out hiking. That behind the safety of an enclosure was just phenomenal. I can't actually believe we got so close to a bear, a big brown bear. Wow. Oh, I'm just a bit blown away. Oh guys, if you are this way in Croatia, oh, come and support these guys, because that was just amazing.
Hey Jules.
The bakeries here are so cool and so cheap. So I've got a slice of pizza and a really nice baguette and two like pastries for £3, €3.60.
So this is just raspberry bread with raspberry in it. It's a roll with raspberry in it.
I think so, but it's nicer, isn't it?
It's like a jam sandwich. If you're in the UK, it's a jam sandwich.
Yeah, it does taste a bit like a jam sandwich.
Nice.
But it was different, and I thought, well, I'll try that.
Good morning, guys. Well, we were absolutely zapped last night, so we didn't do any filming at all. We just chilled out and went to bed because we've done a lot of driving. I think we caught the sun of it yesterday, didn't we? So we've had a chill out morning, and now we're off to find something. I think you're gonna love this. If you've been to Croatia before, you've probably done this already, but I think you're gonna love this. Check this out.
We stumbled across this place. How cool is this, guys? Quite remarkable.
It's weird, isn't it?
How long's it been here, do you think?
I don't know, it's a Dakota, I think, whatever that is.
You can actually even get inside. Let's go have a look. Oh wow. Look at this. How cool is this place?
know very much about this, but I think it's a Dakota bomber, which I would assume from the name is American, which is strange. But Americans sell most of their stuff to foreign countries, don't they? Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go see what else is up the airfield.
You can actually drive onto the airfield, so I think we're going to go and see what's in the airfield.
Also Douglas. Oh yeah, Douglas, Dakota.
Douglas, Dakota.
Yeah.
Can we please get air conditioning?
Yeah.
I'm going to be so envious of you guys, Mitch and Dan, when you get your van on the road and you've got air conditioning, because it's like 30 degrees here in Croatia, and oh my god, I'm baking. And my little fans, these are great.
Head southwest, then turn left.
But they don't really cut it in this heat. I am melting. Wow, God, that's long.
Turn left.
They're all long. Wow. And I can see why people say you can actually drive down the airfields as fast as you like. I'm just trying to work out where the border is, because the borders are here somewhere. And they're Bosnian mountains. You see. So there must be some kind of border here somewhere. God, it looks a bit scary. It looks very eerie,
Make
doesn't
a
it?
U-turn, then turn right.
I don't know if I want to leave Jules here.
Oh, can you feel that?
Yeah, somebody said on the reviews it's super cold in there.
Yeah. It looks like it's just into the mountain, doesn't it?
Shall I wait here with the van?
Oh, you can feel that cold air.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, leave it open. Oh my God, that's so nice. The cold air coming through there. Oh, so nice. I think I'll just sit here.
This is one of the hangars off the airfield. It looks smoggy in here. No idea how far this goes in. If anybody's been in here before, drop it in the comments. I've not got a torch, so I can't go too far in. It looks really smoggy and smoky in here. You can't tell how smoky it looks. Maybe if I turn round. But it sounds weird as well. It's huge. Whoa, it's weird. I think maybe people drive through the whole thing. I wonder if it goes all the way through and people are going to drive through. Oh, they can drive all the way through, can they? Cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can drive all the way through. Check these guys out. It's quite slippery, I'm surprised that they do that.
Yeah, I read on a review that you can actually walk it, but they said if you go through it, you need a really good pair of lights because there's so many potholes, and apparently the potholes are really, really big, like tyre bursting potholes.
I love stuff like this.
I know you do, yeah. You get really excited by stuff like this, don't you? You like looking at stuff like this. Right out of one random little lane to one huge lane that feels like a derelict motorway. Oh, police. Police? You get police up here, look. There's police here
It's
somewhere.
Bosnia.
Ah, is this the border?
Yeah, so that's Bosnia, I think. I've read this.
So this is the border.
So the runway marks the border, I think. So we're in Croatia now, but if I've just gone that piece of grass, that's Bosnia. Saw somebody on Instagram and they stepped across it and the police were hanging about and the police told them off.
Best not go and have a pee in a bush
Yeah,
then.
don't have a pee.
Or I'll be the one getting arrested. How cool are they? Wow.
Here you go, Cash. Cash bought me a piece of pizza from the shop. And then made herself a nice wrap and everything.
You won't like my wrap. It's a crab stick
Oh.
salad wrap.
A what?
Crab stick salad wrap. It's nice.
Leave in the comments if you'd have a crab stick and salad wrap. Not for me, thanks.
Or pizza.
Or a bit of pizza. These pizzas in Croatia are amazing. You get a huge piece of pizza for like €2.50 euros.
This is so hot. We've just rocked up at a place called Trogir. Trogir, and I know that's the case because I looked at it on Google how to pronounce it. Yeah, let's go see what this place has. It's like 34 degrees.
It's so hot.
If you're looking to while away your afternoon eating and drinking, there's tons to eat and drink here. There's loads. And the food does look amazing in the restaurants. So Trogir is a really pretty town. It's a bit like, it's hard to explain, isn't it? It's a bit more like a more polished, a more modern, although it's probably not, a more modern, a more posher than Ravine. Yeah, it's a bit like, yeah, a posher. And if you didn't know, you'd think some of this stuff had been built ready for this, ready for like tourists and stuff. It's a bit more touristy than Ravine, whereas Ravine feels like people are doing day-to-day life there, doesn't it? But this is really pretty here, so come check it out because it's pretty good. Here's the harbour. I believe Jules is still here.
We were a bit nervous about leaving Jules here when we pulled up because it looks a little bit
Move. Come on, let's go.
But the parking in town and on the pier was like £8 an hour, so we thought we'd risk it for a biscuit.
€3 for 3 hours. You can't go wrong, can you? Boom. Let's go. Trogir is absolutely Trogir is absolutely rammed, like a proper resort. So we came looking for a park up further on the peninsula. It's pretty locked down for campers, to be fair, so we're going to find somewhere else. But the coastline's gorgeous and it's not that busy. Sure, it's like, look at that.
So we found this like kind of quite secluded little lane where it's not busy at all. It's just some boats out here in the cove. We thought this was a nice place to come for a dip.
And as Phil and Keely say, we're not sold on the idea, to be fair, but they say, never go to swim.
Yeah. And it has been 38 degrees.
Yeah, when it's 38 degrees, I'm in the territory where you may never regret a swim.
Hotter and hotter as the day's gone on, so I'm ready to get in some cool water.